Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Of the five senses that we have, we thank God for the gift of our eyes. Piping saksi ang ating mga mata sa madaming magaganda o kahit mga hindi magagandang bagay na nakikita natin. We see good weather, but we also witness bad weather. We witness people who are helping, but we also see people who are taking care less. We also see the unfolding of graces in life, but we also see people waiting for those graces to be true. The eyes of the Israelites were blessed to see how God and Moses conversed and communicated to each other, how the Lord and how they witnessed as well God appearing on them at Mount Sinai, how they witnessed the relation of these two. And we also heard how Jesus reminded how blessed are those eyes of these disciples to see what people then longed to see. God made the eyes to see His goodness. God made vision to see God's mission in our life. Itong panahon na mayroon po tayo at sa araw-araw ng ating buhay, huwag po natin aksayahin yung pagkakataon na gamitin ang ating mga mata. We use our eyes to be witnesses. Hindi titingin para may masamain, hindi titingin para siraan, bagkus titingin para makita ang kilos ng Diyos sa buhay. Titingin para saksihan ang Diyos sa buhay na ito. Many today, for example, are not blessed as we all have to witness and celebrate the Eucharist physically, because they are fighting the storms outside. But we are witnesses of what we are to see here, how later on bread and wine will be body and blood of Christ. We are witnesses to what we see, how God is with us, and let that be good news to them, that what we see, we also share. My dear brothers and sisters, we thank God for vision because we continue to see His mission every day. Salamat sa mga mata dahil nakikita natin ang magaganda at ang hiwaga ng Diyos sa ating buhay. And while we see and use our eyes to see what needs to be done, let us not shut off its purpose to be a living witness to God's goodness in our life.